How to add follow button to your Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Then log into your profile log into your page. Now when I go to my page, it will be seen as a professional dashboard. Now in order to add a follow button, you will have to go to this three dot. After that, go to edit and make sure this is a public category page. After that, open the menu bar, go to settings. Now go to how people find and contact you and make sure all of these buttons are toggled on. Go to followers and public content and then go to who can follow my page. Make sure the public option is toggled on and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.